Anthony, you not go buy the KFC. You see that buy KFC for me. Anthony, I'm really hungry, you know. Okay, look how much food I just make for you. And me I make you some frank and beans. But I don't want a frank and beans again. Please, Anthony, go buy the KFC for me now, please. Octavia, you can't eat so much junk food, you know. You can't eat some more healthier things. You have to think about the baby, you know. Alright, man, I go up on the road and go buy the KFC now. I sing how you want, right? Thank you, Anthony. Look, okay, what you do? So this you miss church for? Me 18 now. If me no want go church, me no want go church. Lord God, you want to be a whore like your mother, don't you? One boy and you come here over one boy. You breed, don't it? Me know you breed. What you even a talk about? What you mean me a breed? Look how whoring girl, me know you breed, you know. Before you learn look how Bible verses, you freak man in the house, you whore. Shanta, you still do that foolishness here? Where you post this on Instagram or Facebook?
First of all, Facebook are for all people, and I send them here to my man.
Really? What if him take them here and, you know, use them against you?
That even makes sense. You don't ask me that post it on social media yet. You want me to worry about if man I go send them out. I don't care if him want to send them out. I look good.
Alright, do what you want to do. Hold on then, I want to ask my father something. The hungry belly woman want tasties now. So daddy ask what you want to eat.
Him never just buy her KFC.
Just one yam down other place. Me eat her, you see?
So your father said I want 2 cheese patties and a cocoa bread.
Whore. Daddy, why you make mommy drink? About it, just make your mother enjoy herself now. Tell her embarrass me all the time. What you know about embarrassment? You eat. Me I eat, and mommy, I don't know how mommy is, but she was supposed to go on so. Can you please just take me home? I don't want to stay here no more. Alright, I forgot to pick up your mother after this. Much more work for me for do. See, now you finally look like somebody and you look like one Woodcroft. I don't want to talk to you about something. You sure you don't want me to do it? Yeah, alright. Look like you're drunk. So what do you want to talk to me about? Alright, look like you're really drunk.
Love you, Rick. Love you, I 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 love you. Love, 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 love.
Oh, we're going to your bedroom? So I'll go on for you and the pasta, cuz. No, daddy fuck no one give me no money for him pitney. So the man stay him love go like him broke when him know him have money. I say I eat the good dirty boy, you see man. Sometimes I just want to lick him in him face. He might like say I worry about money he might give me. Don't worry. You soon start live good, no worry about that thing. Sometimes I feel like I go check him wife and make sure know about me and him son, you know. Why you going to do that for? Cause the old drunk over give me more money than what he might give me. I said it's nice house where I'm living in, you know. While me there say I pay rent. Yo, ease yourself. Nobody come mess up things for me now. Mess up things for you? Me a pitney for feed, you know. What you think this is? Yo, by the looks of Junior, me for lose look weight still, you know. You feel like a boy too much. Don't worry about my son, you know. He might eat good, but he need more things though. So I like a page him father and make him know that. Just give some time, man. We'll page him and talk to him for you. Make sure you do it, you know. I'm gonna page him wife and make sure know about it. You must think, say, I play, me I play. My light and water can't get cut off again, you know, like the last time. Yo, easy. Go on and work and go do it. Me watch Junior for you, alright? Just make sure you talk to like a dirty pasta boy there, you know. I'm sure I have to talk twice to him, you know, because I'm not gonna like it.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Look, boy, you know, just name some crackers a while ago.
That I never will eat more. More.
You know, I get no more, you know. You're too damn craving.
Please.
Only thing you are gonna name right now is some lettuce.
Put lettuce of a rabbit.
Look here, go and go sit down, you know, for me lick you.
Philip, me a call police.
What you know about police?
Mommy boyfriend a police, but don't tell anybody cause she say that enough to find out.
Hey, look, boy, go and go sit down, man. You're too smart for your age. So why I can't come with you if I go do the ultrasound? This again, I tell you some more my mother go with me, alright? I never know say your mother the baby father. What your mother need for go with you for? And I mean need for go with you for to make sure the baby alright. Why you always a try stress me out? How the hell may I stress you out? Just I tell you some more and come with you for see if the baby alright. Or that I stress you out. If me don't want you to come, me don't want you to come, alright? Stop asking me a bag of question, you get on my nerves. What really I go on with you, eh? Why you know I'm come with you? Me already made the promise to my mother, our first grand picnic. Where you move so far? You're about half a dozen picnic. What you care about ultrasound for? You're not going enough already. You know what your woman wish a man would follow it? Who follow them to them things there yet you are move so. When I see why you always have to blow everything out of proportion, Anthony, what is your problem? Look how much ratings me have for you. And look how you ever deal with me. Over exaggerating as usual, Anthony.